How to do a screenshot on your MacBook or your iMac. There are three ways to do it. The first one is when you want to screenshot on the full screen. You want to type Command, Shift, and 3 all together. First, select and hold Command, and then select and hold Shift, and select and hold number 3. And there you go. This will automatically save in your desktop. And the second way is when you want to screenshot only some of the screen. For example, I want to screenshot only this Apple Music, not the entire screen. So what you want to do is you want to tap Command, Shift, and number 4. Command, hold it, Shift, hold it, and number 4. Here, your cursor is changed to this plus sign, and you want to tap and hold it on the screen you want to screenshot. Tap and hold, and there you go. The third way is the same with the second way, but you can do it more manually. So you want to tap and hold Command, Shift, and number 5. Command, Shift, and number 5. Here you can do it more manually. And you wanna make sure to choose this capture selected portion and then click capture. There you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.